Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Sandy if you're new, and I wanted to just share what I am sending my patrons for the month of January. So the theme is mushroom theme. So let's jump in and I'll show you what they're going to get. So first off, they get a newsletter from me. I like to write just a fun letter to the patrons. And this is the bluegrass tier. So the main thing that they're getting this month is this really cute mushroom journal. Each one is a little bit different, but they're very similar. And I've used some digital pages and then a bunch of different vintage papers, some of my coffee dyed paper, an embossed envelope, some antique ledger paper, vintage shorthand paper, a fun book page, mushroom page. So they're all a little bit different, but they're very similar. And I think they turned out just great. The fabrics are a little bit different on each journal as well, because I used kind of what fabrics I had in my stash. So that's the little journal. And then we'll start with the little, they'll get a glassine envelope. And inside the glassine envelope, they'll get a cute little mushroom patch. Each one's a different color, but they can put it on the cover of their journal or they can use it however they want. And then just some fun little different mushroom pieces that they can use to decorate the journal. And I love this one coordinates with the fabric. And then they'll also get a couple mushroom stamp stickers. And then in here, this is, I kind of continued on what I did for my Christmas 12 days of junk journaling. So in here, I have a couple tags, and they're partially finished. So I did all of the kind of inking and stenciling and putting the paste on here and stamping. And then I provided them with some additional pieces that they can use to finish these tags. And I have some videos coming that will give them ideas on how to decorate the tags. And then in here are other little pieces for them to use to decorate the tags. So I'm super excited about that. Cute little mushroom charm on a bulb pin and an eyelet. And they can decide to decorate these tags the way that I show them in the video, or they can, choose to decorate them however they want. So I think that's just a fun little surprise. Then I'm also going to be doing a video that gives them decorating the different pages with the items in this kit as well. So in this little bag here, we have 2 vintage mushroom playing cards. So cute. Love them. And then a bunch of different little ribbons and lace. I included lace because I did not put lace along the spine, but if they wanted to add that, they can certainly add that. I also made a mushroom wax seal and also have a little mushroom paper clip in here. And so there's the little mushroom wax seal and then the mushroom paper clip. These mushroom paper clips are so cute. And then they also get a mushroom wooden charm, so they can use some of these trims in here if they want to string this and add it to their journal. And then also just a collection of other fun things to use to decorate the journal. Here's a little fabric snippet they can make into a pocket or tabs. They have a fun little sticker, and this is a vellum sticker. So when you peel it off of this white backing, it's clear. Here's a cute little index card that I stamped. I love these stamps. If you want the link for these stamps, let me know. They're so cute. And same with these embossing folders. If you want the link for the embossing folders, let me know. And then they'll get this collection of 3 little, they can either be tags or tucks or pockets that are embossed with different mushroom designs. And I'm going to show some ways to decorate those up. And then this is another fun vellum, put it on the back of this, a vellum, oh, help me, stamped image. And I use some other mushroom stamps that I have. So this can become a pocket. You can either sew around the edges, or you can do some faux stitching with a marker. So that's really fun. I love stamping on vellum. And then just some other little fun ephemera pieces, mushroom papers. Here's another fabric, so they can make a fabric flip out of this, or cut it in half, make a couple more pockets or tabs. They get a nearly vintage postcard, and each one is different. It has different insects and whatnot on it. Here is a piece of cicada paper that they can use to decorate with, collage with. Here is a antique diary page, and I just did a couple little stamps on it. And then a few more of the offcuts of the paper I used in these journals for more belly bands, pockets, tucks, etc. And then a really fun 6x6 piece of mushroom paper. Again, this can be made into tags, pockets, belly bands, all kinds of fun things. So I love how this came together, and stick around because I'll have some decorating videos posting here soon, so you can get some ideas of how to use these items in your journal. And then I wanted to show the Goldenrod tier, what they are receiving this month. So it goes just in a regular envelope for the Goldenrod tier, and they are going to get, so I wrote just a fun little note on the back of this guest check, so cute little note for them. And then here's a cute little to-do list, mushroom to-do list. And then they also get several of the makes that I've made. So they'll get the 2 tags that I partially made. They'll also get the index card that I stamped, and then the mushroom stamps, plus the wax seal and some other little decorative pieces to decorate up their tags with. And then the playing cards, they'll get the antique playing cards, and then a little swath of fabric. They'll also get the embossed tags, the mushroom embossed tags. So it's a really fun little pack for the Goldenrod tier. All right, so that is what my patrons are going to be receiving. So stick around. I'll have some more videos coming on ways to do some decorating in your junk journal. So if you don't have this journal, still the ideas work with just whatever papers you might have in your stash. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.